Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. So, dear children, as you know that from 26 we have our term exam, term 1 exam. So, for this, from today, I am going to give you some revision assignment. Okay, and here we have the chapter number 1, that is poem Ice Cream Man. Okay, so in this for this poem I am going to explain you the all question answers so that you can easily understood and you can write down all the answers in the exams. Okay, so let's see the chapter number 1, that is poem Ice Cream Man in details. Okay, the first question is, in which season is ice cream popular? Okay, that means you have to tell the season when you have it when you will eat lots of ice cream. Okay, so as you know that the ice cream is popular in summer season. Okay, in which season? The summer season. So the next question is, who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? So as you know that when ice cream man came with his cart, so all children feel joyful and happy. Okay, so in this poem also someone is feels joyful on seeing the ice cream. So the answer is, the speaker feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. The speaker means the poet feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Now the next question is, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. That means when ice cream man came with the different flavors of ice cream, so which flavors he has inside his cart? So the flavors are, the ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors of ice cream in his cart. Okay, this kind of questions I will ask you in term 1 exams. So you have to just look at this all the question answers carefully, and you have to just learn these question answers carefully, because this is very much important for your examination. Then the next question is, what are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? Okay, you have to tell the two things, that is beside ice cream he is also selling one other thing. So what are the two things the ice cream man is selling? So the answer is, the ice cream man is selling ice cream and cold drinks. Okay, that means with ice cream he is also selling the cold drinks. Okay, now because it is the summer season, so that's why we ate ice cream and cold drink too. Then the next question is, write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. Okay, you have to write you have to just write the one exciting and enjoyable things, okay, that we do in winter season. So as you know that in winter season we because it is very hot, so we eat hot sandwiches and sip hot tea or coffee. Okay, we can also sit around a fire and eat popcorn, okay, reveries and peanuts. So this kind of all the things we enjoyed in a winter, while in summer we enjoyed ice cream and cold drinks, all the cold things. Then the next question is, list as many summer activities as you can. That means, as you know that in summer season you will do the lots of activities. Okay, you that means in last summer also you maybe you have did lots of activities. You maybe play just like a playing games, crickets, okay, drawing. So this kind of activity you have to list in this question. Okay, so the swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening, drawing, sketches, paintings, reading storybooks, playing video games and crickets, all these activities, okay, you can done in the summer season. If you have any other activities, you can also write down that activities too. Then the next question is, now group these activities into indoors and outdoors. That means, first of all, we have given the activities, that is swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening, drawing, sketches, painting, reading storybooks, playing video games and cricket. So what you have to just do, you have to just differentiate these activities into the indoor games and outdoor games, that is indoor activities and outdoor activities. So the answer is, in indoor activities includes playing indoor games, that is drawing, painting, reading storybooks, okay, this kind of activities, including indoor activities. Then outdoor activities include swimming, trekking, playing cricket, go for picnic. So all these are the outdoor activities. Okay, now the next question is, what are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? Okay, that means when ice cream man comes with his cart, so what are the different sounds you hear? So the answer is, I hear sound of ringing bell. As you know that he always comes with the ringing bell. Okay, then also I can hear the ice cream man's cries loudly. He just cries loudly, he just shout loudly, okay, to attract the people to call the children. Then I hear the joyful shouting of the children. Then after the ice cream man came, he also hears the joyful shouting of the children, okay, with the happiness. Okay, they showed their happiness by seeing the ice cream man. Okay, so dear children, this is all about the question and answers. Okay, the question number 9 we will talk about this in next video. Okay, so now I want to show you one revision assignment. So dear children, this is your revision assignment. So what you have to do, you have to just write down these question answers, okay, in your revision copy. Okay, so what you have to just do, you have to just make one revision copy and write the answers of these questions. So the first question is, write an antonym for the favorite. फेवरेट वर्ड का आपको अपोजिट वर्ड जो है वो लिखना है यहाँ पे. नाउ राइट एन एंटोनिम फॉर द ब्लेज. यहाँ पे ब्लेज वर्ड का जो एंटोनिम है यानी कि अपोजिट वर्ड आपको लिखना है. नाउ राइट द सिनोनिम फॉर जॉयफुल. जॉयफुल वर्ड का मीनिंग आपको लिखना है. सिनोनिम्स मीन्स मीनिंग. देन क्लस्टर, राइट द सिनोनिम फॉर क्लस्टर. आपको क्लस्टर वर्ड का सिनोनिम लिखना है यानी कि मीनिंग लिखना है. ठीक है. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, राइट ऑल द राइमिंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पोम आइसक्रीम मैन. आपको आइसक्रीम मैन जो पोएम है उसमें जितने भी राइमिंग वर्ड्स दिए हैं वो आपको लिखने हैं. अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज़ योर रिविजन असाइनमेंट फॉर टुडे. ओके, टुमारो आई विल ऑल्सो अगेन गिव यू द रिविजन असाइनमेंट. ओके, and I will give you all the revision assignment till the exam date. Okay, so what you have to just do, you have to just write down all the question answers in your revision copy. Okay, you can also write down in your copy also. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.